Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Discover Student Loans account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Discover Student Loans Login and hit on enter right now. Now these are the search results. What you want to click on is this link that says Secure Account Center Login Discover Student Loans. Simply click on it. Now it will redirect you to this page. From here you can register as well. But for now we want to log in, so let's look at this. Enter your user ID and the password. In case you do not remember your user ID or password, simply click on this button right here and follow the prompts. That way you can gain access to your account once again. You also have the option to click on this checkbox that says Remember User ID. Do note that it is completely optional. If everything is okay, simply hit on this login button and you will be able to log into your Discover Student Loans account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to your Discover Student Loans account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.